Well, the president is proposing some sort of equity and trade relationship and the trade surplus that China enjoys with the United States, talking about fair trade. With that in mind, he's imposing certain tariffs on certain Chinese goods that come to the United States, and you know, that's certainly driving China to look at some other things based on what we export to China. So it's a quid pro quo kind of situation that's coming at us. The agricultural economy overall is pretty depressed. We have a cold, if you will, at this point. We are headed for the flu if we see some of these trade barriers coming at us and some of these tariffs coming at us, because we have to export. We can't eat anymore here in the United States. Agriculture survives based on exports, and if we lose that opportunity, it's going to be a deep problem for agriculture and rural communities, because we won't be buying pickups or eating at the local diner.
We're very nervous. We're concerned that China could retaliate, and soybean is a great big target. If we'd sit down and have some really good talks and dialogue and try and solve this situation without everybody threatening one another, just kind of have some diplomacy.
And I just continue to see it escalate. I hate to use the term trade war, but it sure seems that we're headed that way. What I would like to see is folks sit down and talk about some of the issues related to some of those trade disputes, some of the concerns that the United States has with Chinese exports to us, and some of the concerns China might have with what we sell them or send to them.